Yo, check it out. This your man Nell, and you're kicking it with the #1 DJ in Asia, DJ Domination. You heard it from your boy all the way to Asia. We doing it big.
Real chicos do real things on the road to the richest, skip diamond rings. Moved up from the streets, graduated hustler, on his way to an entrepreneur, undefeated Don shooter. Now baby save me from the game before it plays me. My life's a movie, call me Martin Scorsese. I can care less if you love me or hate me. Like some, now pay me.
Domination.
It's in the mix, baby. Fat Man Scoop, a.k.a. Big Colorado, told you that. So understand it when you hear it.
Steady trying to escape and off in them streets. Similar to Bonnie and Clyde on TV. Ain't nobody driving me crazy, but my money, pride of my lady. Things don't go too far to chase it, then too close for me to escape it. So I jumped up in the yard of Bonnie, my Maserati. Switched up real quick and peeled off of my Bugatti. Girl, I'ma run away with you, let me rub all over your body. Then you can run away with me while I kick that butt, you get naughty.
DJ Domination. DJ Domination. Taking over the world, one continent at a time. North America, done. Africa, done. Asia, he's working on that right now. The best DJ in the whole continent of Asia. DJ Domination.
to my crib for a